Hindi ikaw ang too much. Mababaw lang talaga sila magmahal. You are not hard to love. Hi, it's Ding Dong and welcome again to another Random Thoughts. They told you you're too sensitive. Masyado kang emotional. Masyado kang malalim. But someone out there is looking for someone. Naghahanap ng isang tao exactly like you. So, don't be softy. Your heart, hindi yan yung problema. Having a big heart isn't the problem. It's a blessing. Tandaan, hindi ikaw ang sobra, sila ang nagkulang. The right ones will see your heart as a gift. Mababaw lang talaga sila magmahal. You are not hard to love.